Namaskar, myself Pratik. In this session, we are going to discuss the concept of local procedures. Let us start this session. As discussed in previous sessions, there are two types of subprograms. One is functions and another is procedures. These functions and procedures are further of two types. One is local and another is stored. We have already discussed the concept of local and stored functions. And in this session, we are going to discuss the concept of local procedure. It is important to know that a local subprogram is local to the PL/SQL block module which contain it. It can be created in the declarative section of a PL/SQL module. It can be invoked in a PL/SQL block in which it is created. It means the scope of local procedure will be limited to a PL/SQL block in which it is created. And this local procedure should be created in the declare section of a PL/SQL block. Let us see the syntax of local procedure. Here we have a main PL/SQL block with declare section, begin section and optional exception section. And this is the end of main PL/SQL block. In declare section of the main PL/SQL block, we are creating a local procedure by using the syntax procedure, name of the procedure. This is followed by the list of argument. By specifying the name of argument, followed by its mode, that is in, out or in out. We have to specify one mode out of these three given modes. Then the data type of the argument is specified. You can see that this argument is optional. So we can write a procedure without having any argument. After this, we have to specify a keyword is or as. We have to select one out of these two. Then we can declare local variables whose scope will be limited to the body of this procedure. This is the begin part of the procedure. This is optional exception section of the procedure, which is followed by the end of the procedure. In end statement, we can specify the name of the procedure, which is optional, or we can directly write end to complete the code of procedure. You can see that its syntax is similar to function. The only difference is instead of using keyword function, here we are using procedure. The remaining syntax is same as in case of local function. In begin section, we can call this local procedure and the scope of this procedure is only limited to this PL/SQL block because it is created in this block only. In next video session, we will see the demonstration of local procedure. To read more about this, you can refer my book Simplified Approach to DBMS, which is available on Amazon platform. You are requested to subscribe this YouTube channel to receive latest video tutorials on topics like data mining, machine learning, DBMS, big data, NoSQL and many more. To learn SQL in a simplified way, you can join this free online course on SQL at Udemy platform. I have also authored books on data mining and data warehousing, NoSQL, beginning with SQL and PL/SQL for beginners. All these books are available on Amazon platform. To read more about this, you can refer my website pratikbhatia.com. Thanks for watching this video.